In the busyness of everyday life, it can be easy to take stormwater for granted. But behind the scenes, a crucial process is at work. When it rains or snows, these seemingly innocent droplets and snowflakes can turn into powerful forces of nature. To prevent flooding, runoff from rainwater and melted snow enters the city's stormwater drainage system, which is made up of thousands of miles of gulches, ditches, and underground pipes, and empties directly into streams, rivers, and lakes. By controlling the flow of water, stormwater management prevents and reduces flooding, protects lives and the environment, complies with federal and state clean water laws, and more. Stormwater management is essential, but it also requires resources to keep things flowing, like funds for repairs, maintenance, and innovation. In 2026, the annual stormwater charge is $89.88, an increase of $2.50 per month over last year. This increase is needed to continue providing service, replace aging infrastructure, and address flooding issues reported by residents. Stormwater bills were mailed in January, and customers have until June 15th to pay. Your stormwater bill helps fund essential projects. Over the next 10 years, approximately 20 local drainage projects and several major drainage projects could be funded. This work protects quality of life, because when it floods, it affects everyone. So let's recap. Why does stormwater management matter? Your stormwater bill helps fund a critical service, building a stronger community from the ground up. Learn more at lakewoodco.gov/stormwaterbill.